Wallet, an artificial intelligence-powered digital mobile wallet application. Give every transaction the security that you deserve with a digital wallet that specifically caters to your need with Onpassive. Transact globally unhindered. In this digital age, having a complete control of the way you make your transactions is vital. Onpassive brings you Wallet, an exclusive digital mobile wallet application that is designed to give you the utmost ease and security in every transaction that you make. Enabled with multiple layers of security features, Wallet gives its users hassle-free access to make online purchases, transfers, and accept funds anytime from anywhere. Presenting the highly responsive interface, you can access your digital wallet from your mobile or desktop with ease. With Wallet, you can organize and schedule your payments to ensure you do not miss any deadlines and are always on time. Its detailed dashboard gives access to past transactions and spend analysis to understand how you spend. Wallet is the new age digital wallet that comes with Coins, its exclusive currency that you can exchange for equal value in the currency of any nation, allowing you to make transactions and make purchases even with Coins. Wallet gives you access to a world of possibilities. Wallet is one of the most exclusive commerce platforms offering its clients a digital mobile wallet application to store cash and make quick transactions. This highly secure wallet will permit users to transfer funds amongst themselves within the Onpassive payment gateway ecosystem. Users can pay their friends, family, and merchants with the simple tap of a button and can withdraw Coins from Wallet to their bank accounts with absolute ease. Wallet will utilize facial recognition as an additional security layer before initiating any financial transactions for authenticity. With a highly effective user interface, it offers the most secure and fastest online transaction experience. It also has notable highlights wherein it permits its users to set reminders for dues, money transfers, and view mini statement for the transactions done already. Users can avail the subscription activation of products on the Onpassive interface through Wallet using Coins. Wallet is an ideal application that permits you to save money to its various promotions and unique offers. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leaver and proud founder of the Onpassive business model. For a complete list of facts and questions on our product, head over to www.onpassive.com. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.